Understanding, blow in. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the English phrase, blow in. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and know how to use it in sentences. So, let's get started. Blow is a verb that means to produce a current of air, typically with the mouth. In is a preposition that can indicate a direction or location. So, when we combine the two words, blow in can literally mean the act of wind or air moving into a place. Example: the wind started to blow in through the open window, scattering the papers on the table. Now, beyond its literal meaning, blow in can also be used as a slang or informal term. In this context, it refers to someone arriving unexpectedly or suddenly, often after a long absence. Example: I hadn't seen Jake in years, and then he just blew in out of nowhere. It's as if the person is being compared to a gust of wind, arriving swiftly and without warning. To master any phrase, it's important to practice using it in sentences. Here are a few more examples to give you a clearer understanding. 1. We were just sitting down to dinner when my cousin blew in from out of town. 2. The weather forecast says a cold front will blow in tomorrow. 3. I never know when she's going to blow in, so it's always a pleasant surprise. Remember, context is key. Ensure you use the phrase where it makes sense, keeping in mind whether you're talking about the wind or a surprise visitor. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, blow in. Whether it's a gust of wind or an unexpected guest, you now know how to use this versatile term in your conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and you'll master the intricacies of the English language in no time. Happy learning!